LiveStream. Trade. Trade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning already in the middle of trading green or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. So I'm Scarlett, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever composed, always insightful Annie. Welcome, Annie.
Thank you so much, Scarlett. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this section because there's so much we're going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but we also the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it's built trader step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Brad.
Thank you, Scarlett. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system: packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, on a bit. If you have ever had questions or doubt, today is the day to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new or already a fund trader with us, today's live stream will give you a full picture, not just the highlight reel. We're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or platforms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed, but actually scale.
Let's start with something important: the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funded project, not a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from problems or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shaped our trading packages as well. Today we will walk you through each package, who it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought, which one fit my style, you finally get the answer today.
Well, and beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account size, consistency, rules, payout templates. Reading numbers on a website is one thing, understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why plotting profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding about trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain in rule, I will share real experience from my early funded trading day, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we'll go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there are structured pathways to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind the long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funding account, follow the rules, and generate profit, we share that profit with you. And not just that small cut up to 90%. But there's a thing, the percentage is just a headline. What really matters is the payout cycle, the threshold, and the timeline works. And we are breaking all of that down today so that you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now I know a lot of you tuning today aren't just traders, some of you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referee rule and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We will see huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term, sustainable income stream.
Well, so as you can already tell, this is not your usual light surface level live stream. Today we're going to dip into everything: trading packages, trading rules, promote, scale up pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal: helping you make the smartest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here and we're watching, and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we will leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarifications. They are one of the most dedicated teams I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
Yes, and before we jump in, let me just say this: WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, and a commitment to giving people all around the world the structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. Alright everyone, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment, because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about origin, intention, and the path. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, I've got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Annie and Ralph. Annie, let's get it all from the beginning.
Okay, thanks Scarlett. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or prop firm that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstances, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade is what created at a sharper, more focused vision: to find higher potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it's matter. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structures and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules, we want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner on the way to consistently funded professional.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 2018 certified and recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. This is a big achievement and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows that we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent process, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick wave, we're here to help you build a career that lasts.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some bad challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they will never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were looked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a constantly updated blog session, constantly update weekly insight, psychology breakdown, market reaction, and platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. And let's talk about a culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's a mindset we cultivate, integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you'll notice one thing. We actually listen and we treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And yeah, I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuel the business. Your feedback shape the platform, and your consistency determine how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we genuinely value.
So if you have other questions, whether this part is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funding accounts, and talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
And to summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We're here to challenge the status quo in trading assets, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform, it's a trading movement. If you're here and if you're ready to be part of it, today's live stream will give you a full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Raf and Annie, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they design for, and what kind of results they can realistically expect from each. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about the dollar amounts, we're talking about the frameworks for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today we walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and most importantly, who is it designed for.
Exactly, Scarlett. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we create two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge packages and the instant funding packages. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configuration because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and timelines. We make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are already skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
And in the instant funding package, you select an account size like 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 or 100,000 and you start trading real fund from day one. The rules is straightforward, 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss and 100 leverage. There are no simulate phrases, you're already in the funding stage and your profit share up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression, prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately with all the protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Think of it is this way. Challenge package is build confident, demonstrate skill, grow progressively, and instant funding. That means trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rule. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you're at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding. So you can clearly see account size, risk rules, top lines, and profit share opportunities.
The 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the prop challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with one-time fee, for example, just $50 for a $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part, that fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for a 30% reset discount. So you can start fresh and keep learning. But if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning purely based on results, that's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preference, and goals. So today we'll get you through the four main instant funding packages, the 5-10-10, 5-10-0, 5-10 no PC, customized also. We will compare the details, but most importantly, we'll help you to figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. All instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no top limits, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan toward $1 million, support for EA swing trades, escaping an even HFT strategy. Now let's go package by package. The first one will be the 5-10-10 package. Same maximum capital up to $2,000 up to $100,000. And now you get 5% loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is used for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10-10 rules let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limit prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
And the profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get a full flexibility, scalping, EAs, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability, and it's reward traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
So who is it for? This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pair. If you already have a tested intraday strategy and want a little extra brain room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who are starting with clear targets. That 10% profit goal acts like a motivating milestone, keep you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restrictive.
Well, to sum up, fighting team for high tolerance intraday or ambitious traders. Now this one a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms. The 5-10-0 package, you get a 5% limit, 10% overall loss, but 0 profit target. That's right, no numbers chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and let results come naturally.
And yes, for traders who thrive on position over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressure. No target, just trading, clean, control, and strategic.
Now this package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snappers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders is the one that this package is for. Basically, anyone who values consistency over speed is. If that sounds like you, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase target. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraint, the 5-10-10 no PC package. Ralph, correct me if I'm wrong, this one removes the profit consistency rule?
Exactly, Scarlett. Same 5 or 10 risk profile, but no pressures to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing, and you are not penalized for volatility in results.
Just a head up, trade copier unallowed. So this is for manual trader only, but for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal arena.
So who is it for? It's for aggressive traders, risk taker, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rule elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying you define the rules within your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. And the largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium on assets trading. You can use EA's new strategy, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. And top-tier professional as hedge fund trader, high-volume traders, signal providers, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup, this package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you have tried other models and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap and level up your freedom. It's rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity, clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, and full market access, generate profit potential, no artificial time limits, and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dream. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest moments.
Alright traders, you're seeing packages. Now it's time to take out the rule that make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the bro from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game. And the number one reason accounts get shut down, one thing daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it closes their account mid-trade on Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here's a silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this rule becomes one of your best allies in risk management. So today we'll break it down step by step with real examples.
Well, so what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance, it's only calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day far, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $1,007,000. Things do sound floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates it from $107,000, the higher number.
Now 4% of 107,000 around 4,280. Your equity cannot drop below 102,720 that day, or it's out of liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even a second and boom, account closed.
Now flip it. Day 7 balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
And since the balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000, your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to $95,999, auto liquidation triggers. No margin call, no warning, just done.
The system executes a market order to close everything. On trade liquidated, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you budget a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make a final profit and losses worse than expected. That 3,900 loss you planned could turn into 4,200 in seconds.
Well, that's why we always say, don't dance on the edges. Respect the limits, protect your capital and your stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright traders, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Tips number 1, know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right into the edge of your limit. Leave it at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Number 2, focus on equity, not just balance. More traders stay at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you're already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboards. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip number 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tip number 5. Trade smaller during news event. Drink gold during NFP at full size. Start a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss. Ride the post volatility move safely.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with the loss?
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking that you will assist quickly. When it's go red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left overnight, wake up to a city big gap. Daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake.
Assuming only close trade matter, nope, equity include floating profit and losses too. That's the real score. And yeah, I always tell new traders that daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of this as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, this isn't about just rules, it is about trust. WeMasterTrade friends you because we trust you manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protect that trust for both sides, and we will have a little break before we go into the next session.
copy trade.
Welcome back, traders, and previously we covered daily loss rule. So today is your day to day seat belt, but now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule. Your account's airbag. This isn't just for one day, this is for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think, I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly. The max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediately closures, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each day, discounts are cumulative. Lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically, 6% or 10% of your starting balance is only based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max loss, that's $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you made $1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Closed 2,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equity versus stop-loss floor.
Say your account grow to $51,000, profit feel great, right?
Yep, but max loss is still based on the original $50,000, 6% limit equal 47,000. Profit only gives an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly on trades closed at market price.
And like daily loss, slippage may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No resets, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tips 1. Know your floor always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for dashboard alerts. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Trade profits as ammo, but not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce loss sizes when you are ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage bluffing losses like a hawk. Even one large trade can turn your caution into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tips 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on 6% max lot, don't chase it, walk away. Take a breath, analyze, patient, save accounts.
And tip number 5. Never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, NASDAQ, Euro pairs. They spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
Yes, number 1, over leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 loser, think you are safe. One more red trade, floating 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, the account crossed the line.
Number 3, revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back squaring today to recover. That's how 6% max lot disappeared in 2 sections.
4. Slippage during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your puffer before you can blink.
Yes, you have to treat max lot like a sacred boundary. Listen up, the max lot isn't the enemy. It's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top trader I know treats as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson is hit hard. Accounts gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy, it's your mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra of traders. Respect the max loss, trade inside the box. Protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and it to keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we're not just handling out capital, we're building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gambler from the true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here, what you need to remember about max loss is a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters, and here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders fail.
Alright traders, we covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the results, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This will separate lucky spike from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales. Funded can't withdraw at full profit. This rule is probably why.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. One huge spike and several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception, the 5-10-10 no PC package, no profit consistency rule at all.
Important, if your profit consistency is 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. And now, how is it calculated? The formula is simple. Best trading day profit divided by the total gross profit multiplied by 100, and that means profit consistency percentage.
The best day equals single day highest close profit. The total profits will be the sum of all close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until close.
So if your best day is 200 and your total profit is 500, your BC will equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce the ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
Now here is an example walkthrough. 5-day results, day 1, $100, day 2, $200, day 3, minus 50, day 4, 100, and day 5, $60.
Total net profit equal 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 and plus 60. The total going to be 410.
Best day was day 2, 200, so your BC will around 48.78%.
Way above 30% limit, even though profitable. Profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Well, profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 months a day to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need to steady wins.
Long-term balance means higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pros from lucky spies. Now, how to improve profit consistency? If you're over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out your profits over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot size for a few days. Take smaller controls win, around 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade. Spread gains across multiple days.
For EA user, monitor your equity curve. Bonds that spike profits one day may hurt BC. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Now here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting, inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day, trying to swing more, equal higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth in scale.
Profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable accounts get reduced payouts.
Well, so remember, small, steady, reliable profits over one lucky spike any day. Keep BC below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
At the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happens when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we'll see it time and again, the traders who respect this rule, they're the ones getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into six-figure funded accounts.
So don't fear the rules, embrace it as feedback. Too high, that's good. It means you have made profit. Now the goal is to balance it out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual math required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistic tab.
Well, quick recap for traders. This rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total profit to max payout. Spread your wins across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. So far, we walked through the loss limit, take out the maximum account loss, and examine how profit consistency shapes your long-term payouts and growth. And now we are right at the final, perhaps the most overlooked rule of all. I'm talking about the risk consistency rule, what we like to call the discipline test. Because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat, your own inconsistency is.
Exactly. Traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk per trade.
This rule doesn't care about your win streak, it monitors your risk push. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
And here's the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And does include everything linked to that trade idea. Closed trade, floating losses, fee, and free swap, and nothing is excluded.
For accounts like the 510 OBC package, the rule is even stricter, 1% per trade idea.
Well, consistency isn't about P&L, it's about the process. Random position sizing equal to Y equity swinging, very hard to scale.
This will protect both you and WeMasterTrade. It's preserve capital and ensure your edge plays out over time. Think of this as your account heartbeat. It's lost jump from 0.5 to 5 overnight. That chaos, not trading.
A trade idea isn't just one trade, it's a bundle of trades sharing the same logic.
For example, 3 buy orders on XAU USD at different times equal one trade idea.
Same symbols, same directions, close around the same time, grouped logically, at 2% risk count applies to the entire bundle.
So the system doesn't just look at trade individually, it looks at the logical bundles.
You can have multiple trade ideas as long as each respect the 2% risk limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GBY, sell AUD, USD, 3 separate trade ideas, each can risk up to 2%.
3 buy orders on gold, same direction, same assets we consider as one trade idea.
If combined risk exceeds 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exceptions.
Well, let's break it down. Imagine a $50,000 account. Your risk consistency limit is 2% per trade idea. So 1,000 max per bundle.
Trade idea 1, buy gold, total risk is 900, which is 0 or 1.8%, perfectly under the limit.
Later, you open another buy on gold, same direction, same assets, combined with the first positions. Your risk is now total 1,200. That's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here's the crucial part. The platform sees the 2% breach immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a violation.
Remember, it's including floating losses too. If the first gold trade is floating, minus 500, and the second at minus 700, your equity hits $46,800 over the 2% limit. Violation triggered.
This is why you must think in trade ideas bundles, not isolated trades. That's how pros stay compliant without cutting back on strategies.
Trade ideas count combined risk, stay under 2% per idea and track both floating and closed losses. Master this and risk consistency becomes your ally. So next time we will have a little analysis about the news calendar.
Okay, let's start with Japan unemployment rate, which came in at 2.7, slightly higher than the forecast of 2.6%.
That indicates a minor weakening in the labor market, which is generally a negative signal for the economy.
The BOJ policy rate, the Bank of Japan keeps its policy rate below 0.75%, in line with expectations.
This confirmed that Japan continues to maintain a very accommodative monetary policies, especially compared to other major economies.
So, the BOJ outlook report and monetary policy statement will be crucial for understanding future policy directions.
Yes, traders will look for any hints of policy normalization or tightening, which could strengthen the yen.
The core CPI came in at 1.7%, below the forecast of 1.9%.
Lower inflation reduces pressures on the central bank to tighten policies that typically bearish for Japanese yen.
Finally, the BOJ press conference could drive the biggest move.
Exactly. If policymakers sound cautious, the yen may weaken further, but any surprise hawkish turn could trigger a sharp GBP rally.
So overall, Japan data today is weak inflation, high or slightly weaker labor market, and loose policy maintained,
which create a bearish bias for Japanese yen unless the central bank surprises the market.
Let's get into the European section. First of all will be the Spanish unemployment rate. Moving to Europe, Spain unemployment rate came in at 10.8%, higher than the forecast of 9.8%.
That's a significant deterioration, suggesting weakness in the labor market.
So this is clearly bearish for the euro, especially if it reflects broader, weaker across the eurozone.
Yes, rising unemployment can slow economic growth and reduce consumer spending.
The UK sharp price index came in at 1%, below the forecast of 1.4%.
That suggests cooling inflation at the retail level, which could reduce pressure on the central bank to keep rate high.
This is slightly bearish for GBP, as lower inflation reduces the need of aggressive tightening.
Now moving to the US section, we start with the ADP employment change, previously as 54,800.
This gives us an early indication of the labor market before the official non-farm payrolls.
And we also have house price index, HPI, and S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index.
Stable forecasts suggest the housing market is holding steadily despite the high interest rate.
Consumer confidence is forecast at 98, down from 91.8.
Does indicate declining optimism among consumers, which could weigh on the US dollars.
And finally, we have the Richmond Manufacturing Index expected to improve slightly.
Even small improvements can signal stabilization in the manufacturing sector. Let's summarize the key trading theme for today. The JPY bearish bias from weak inflation, loose policy, euro bearish from risking unemployment, GBP will slightly bearish from lower inflation. USD mixed signal depends on data outcome.
Now today is a central bank driven market, especially due to BOJ events.
That means expect strong volatility during BOJ announcement. Watch for fixed breakouts. Avoid trading blindly during press conference.
One key insight today, central bank turn matter more than raw data.
Exactly, even weak data can be ignored if the central bank signal tightening. That's all for today's market breakdowns, a very dynamic section with strong opportunities.
Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and trade smart. We will see you in the next live stream.
Thank you once again and see you in the next live stream.